Hi, everybody. I'm sure most of you have heard the sad news that the iconic Canadian singer songwriter Gordon Lightfoot passed away last Monday, May the 1st. What an amazing influence that man had on so many people, including me. I first heard Gordon's music when I was in high school back in the early 60s, and I had a folk group back then called the Balladeers, and we learned a number of Lightfoot's songs. And I've got a video of the Balladeers. We reunited in the early 90s to play the Home County Folk Festival here in London. And we were guests on a local television show to promote that. And we sang Early Morning Rain, one of Lightfoot's best known songs. So I thought I'd share that video with you today. Here's the Balladeers in 1992 singing the iconic Gordon Lightfoot's song Early Morning Rain.
In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with a David in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. And I miss my loved one so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go. Out on runway number 9, big 707 said to go, but I'm stuck here on the grass where the cold winds blow, where the liquor tasted good and the women all went fast. Ah, there she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engine roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, high above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It ain't no earthly good to me, because I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I could be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can an old freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain.
That was my high school folk group, the Balladeers, singing the Gordon Lightfoot classic, Early Morning Rain. Gordon Lightfoot, we will miss you. Safe home.